Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce investment fees with Robinhood easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with reducing investment fees on Robinhood, open the Robinhood app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from your app store. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the account tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the settings section. In the Settings menu, look for the Investing tab. Here, you will find options related to your investment fees. First, review your account type. If you are using a standard account, consider switching to Robinhood Gold. Gold offers additional features and can potentially lead to lower fees on borrowing. Next, check the commission-free trading options available. Robinhood primarily offers commission-free trades, but it's essential to ensure that your trades fall within these parameters. Consider using limit orders instead of market orders. Limit orders allow you to set the price at which you want to buy or sell, potentially saving you money. Also, keep an eye on your margin balance if you're using margin trading. Paying off margin loans promptly can help you avoid additional fees. Review transaction fees associated with non-standard services, like cryptocurrency transactions. If you plan on trading cryptocurrencies, be aware that some fees may apply. Research various ETFs and investments with lower expense ratios to minimize ongoing costs. Using the app's search function can help you find ETFs that suit your investment strategy. Monitor your account regularly for any updates on fees or promotions. Check for any available cash management features that may benefit your financial strategy. Utilize Robinhood's educational resources to stay informed about investment strategies and fee structures. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce your investment fees while using Robinhood. Make sure to stay informed about any changes in Robinhood's fee structure in future updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.